How's it going, everyone? I'm Chase, Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we're showing you the Case Saver and Case Saver Kit from Zeta. All right, everyone, thank you for checking in. So today we're showing you the Zeta Case Saver and Case Saver Kit. This is a great accessory, a great upgrade for a lot of different motorcycles. We carry these for a lot of different bikes, and to know if it'll fit your motorcycle, it is simple. On the product page, you just enter the year, make, and model of the bike you're shopping for. That will ensure that you will get the proper fitment. Now up here, there are two different options. You have just the Case Saver, and like I said, the Case Saver Kit. We'll talk about the two and why this is a great upgrade for your bike. Now, all motorcycles, they're gonna come with a Case Saver, and if you're not too sure what a Case Saver is for, it goes right in front of your countershaft sprocket, and it's there to help prevent your chain, if your chain were to break, from going up and slapping the engine cases and possibly breaking those. So it's really important that you have one of those on there. Now, most Case Savers from the factory, they're just a thin piece of metal. They're not the biggest and most durable. So that's why this is a great upgrade, because with these, you can see the Case Saver on this, made from high quality aluminum, cool anodized finish. So you're also gonna get a cool upgrade as far as looks go, but is a lot thicker than just most of your OEM Case Savers. Another great benefit to this is you also will have your drive cover. Now, a lot of bikes do come with a drive cover, which again is just gonna cover up that countershaft sprocket, just preventing mud and debris from possibly getting in there. But just about all those are made from plastic, and eventually at some point they tend to break, and they're just not the most durable or the best looking. So with this kit, you've got your Case Saver, which is also anodized, which is gonna be a lot more durable, offer more protection for the bike. Now, you've got just your Case Saver, and then you have the Case Saver Kit. And the Case Saver Kit is gonna be for specific bikes, so for KTM Husqvarna bikes. And what's unique about this kit is that it will come with a chain roller for your motorcycle, which they say reduces the amount of friction that you have on your chain slider from the chain. So it will come with this that just replaces the upper piece of your chain slider. And then you'll get, again, the drive guard as well as your Case Saver. But what's nice about this setup for those bikes is that it will cover your slave cylinder as well as your banjo bolt and your air bleeder. So it offers even protection for those parts of the bike as well. So again, if you have a motorcycle and you're looking to do a little upgrade for protection as well as looks, this is a great accessory to have. If you have questions or comments, we'd love to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. To grab one, it's real simple. Click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. The install process is simple. It's just going to utilize the factory bolts that are already on your bike, so no modification needed. If you have questions or comments, leave those below. Orders are $75 ship free. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, well, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell. That way you always know about the latest and greatest videos that we are putting out. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.